Yes, long time no see. I'm going to unbox a package which I got from Infosys recently. As I already updated in the last video that I have joined Infosys during September, but after all these months, now only I am getting the welcome kit. So let's start unboxing it. I don't think anything new will be there. Already there are few videos from which there are people who received the welcome kit they posted. So I think it will be the same. So, let's see. Okay, this is the box. Okay, so let's see what's inside it. Okay. This is the welcome card, or you can say a letter from COO officer. And coming into the box, we have a diary. Okay, and then a pen, a card holder. I was very excited to open this card holder. Like when I saw in the previous videos, this was really cute and I was waiting for this card holder. So finally I received the card holder. And then a bottle. Water bottle. And then a cube.